Believe it or not, guys, it sounds crazy. I know it sounds crazy, but this is my first ever Neverfull. Hello ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for clicking on this video. Today you can see there is another unboxing happening, and last month, or I would say months and a half, I'm going a little bit crazy with the purchases and unboxing. I have to control myself. I know for a fact that I have to stop for a while, and I think I'm kind of happy and content. So I think I'm gonna stop for a while buying anything, but in fact I'm also planning to sell something. But let me stop rambling about what I'm gonna plan to do in the future. Today we're gonna do unboxing, and this is extremely exciting. So proof of purchase, I'm not gonna beat around the bushes. I have no ribbons or anything, and in fact, believe it or not, I just pretend I put this item in a box, because when I was at the store and my SA said, do you want me to pack it in a box? And I said, no, I don't need another LV box at my house. So I just put it in the box that I had it before. And ta-da! Let me do unboxing. And here is the bag. So let me remove it from the dust bag. And this is extremely exciting, guys. Ta-da! How crazy! So this is Neverfull Giant Monogram Jungle Edition, and believe it or not, guys, it sounds crazy. I know it sounds crazy, but this is my first ever Neverfull. I tried Neverfull several times at the store, and somehow it never clicked. I think the major things I don't like about the Neverfull when I tried store, but maybe because they were just empty bag, it keeps sliding off my shoulders. And I know for a fact many of you already have Neverfull. Please put your comments below. Do you have the same problem? Is your bag sliding off the shoulders? I don't know, maybe it's something wrong with my shoulders, maybe they are too rounded. I keep working actually very hard at my fitness to build up my shoulders, because I know they're a bit rounded. But this one, I cannot pass it. I really cannot pass it. I love the combination. What I love about, so say when I'm gonna wear something light, and usually when you wear something light, you can wear it this side on the inside, so then the dark side can stand out. And opposite, when I'm gonna wear something dark, let's say in the winter, I'm gonna wear dark coat. And usually we worry about the color transfer, etc. when you wear a light handbag. But in this way, it's going to be perfect, because when I'm wearing on the dark side, I'm gonna pull the dark side toward me and expose the lighter side. So obviously it's gonna stand out, like, you know, pop up of the color in the winter. And that's what I love the most. What I really love also, that kind of the jungle print, they put it at the bottom. So therefore it's kind of not competing with any other prints that you already have on the bag. I love that the handles, once again, not vachetta. It's no problem with wearing this handbag spring, summer and fall. To be honest, when my SA sent me a picture of this handbag, my first choice was actually in the cream color, and kind of cream and I think caramel or Havana, they call that color. But at the end, practicality take over me, and I decided to go with the black and this kind of caramel color. Please, once again, put your comments. Do you think I did the right choice? Light color versus this dark one. I know this is more practical choice for sure, especially in Canada, because as I said, we have very short summers, so definitely something darker makes sense, because you're gonna wear it all year around. Absolutely adore it. Let me show you the pochette that it comes with, and I love that pochette is actually black and white, and it's in micro monogram. Let me actually pull these things out because it doesn't look nice this way. So what also I love about this bag, because it has also an additional pocket. Let me actually come a little bit closer to the camera. So this bag actually has an additional pocket on the inside. It's made in Spain. I love that this pocket, you can see, has a trim of that micro black and white monogram. I love the color of the inside, and this color is actually an exact match to LV color of the boxes, like, you know, that they have right now. So this is actually an exact match. Oh, let me actually show you once again the close-up of this print. So you can see on the caramel side, once again, you have jungle monogram on the inside, and this is on the black side. And this is the smaller trims with the micro LV monogram. So let me show you the pochette, little bit close up of the pochette. Inside the pochette, I have this booklet when it says LV Jungle. So it's a special, obviously limited edition. And the pochette, once again, inside has that kind of orangey print. On the pochette, once again, it says made in Spain. And have few additional things. And I'm gonna show you the number if you need to order with your essay. I love that this mini pochette, obviously I can make it as a wristlet, and let's say I can use it just like that with any black or obviously white outfit. It's a perfect. Absolutely adore this little thingy. And I noticed also in recent years that the canvas comes kind of it almost feels like leather. Don't get me wrong, obviously it's not leather, but the feel, the way they do the coating, it almost feels like leather, especially in this black and white. It almost feels like leather. Honestly, guys, it feels almost like leather. So I'm extremely excited, obviously, about this purchase. Let's see how it's gonna work out. I hope that this is my first, but definitely not last Neverfull. We will see how it's gonna work out. As I said, I'm really glad that this is limited edition, that the handbags that I'm gonna have is kind of a little bit different, because it's nice to have something little bit different, something unique. And I love lately purchasing handbags that it's limited edition. I'm extremely happy about this purchase. I love, once again, let me repeat myself, I love once again canvas on this Neverfull. It feels almost different, and as I said, I have many different Louis Vuitton canvas handbags, but this one, as I said, to me, the way the coating is done, it almost feels like leather, or at least that's how I feel it. That's my impression of this handbag. I definitely need to order you know, the bag organizer for this handbag, because this handbag, you literally cannot use it without a bag organizer. It's like endless pit. You can put everything and anything in this handbag. And in general, I actually prefer use a bag organizer with my handbags. First and most, it keeps me organized, and the other point of having bag organizer is because, you know, it prevents on the inside of the handbags. So that's what I really love about bag organizer. Most likely it's going to be Samorga. If you know some other companies that does a perfect bag organizer for Neverfull, once again, put your comments below. I know, guys, that many of you have this handbag already in your collection. If you have any tips on how to use it, how to style, once again, put all your tips and comments below. I will really enjoy reading your comments, and I I will appreciate any of your tips for the Neverfull, because once again, it sounds crazy, but this is my first ever Neverfull in my life, and I have many handbags in my collection. How crazy is that? Unbelievably crazy. Anyway, I'm extremely excited obviously about this purchase. So let me know, guys, if you approve this purchase, if you like it, or if you dislike this purchase. Do you think it's too much? Because I remember a few of the comments on the Instagram and on the YouTube, they say, like, you know, the way it's all put together, it's almost tacky. I don't think so. I think it's a little bit different. It's definitely unique, and that's what I like about this handbag, because it's definitely different and unique. Thank you very much, guys, for watching. Thank you very much for leaving your comments. If you like the video, once again, thank you very much for liking this video. If you enjoy my channel in general, please consider subscribing, and I definitely want to see you again on my channel. And until our next meeting, bye bye.